Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the "Your PC does not meet the security requirements for Call of Duty, a BIOS firmware update is required" error that shows up when launching the game. So, without wasting any time, let's jump straight in. Method 1. Update your BIOS. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the official Call of Duty support page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, where you'll see links for different motherboard manufacturers. Choose your motherboard brand and click on the latest BIOS support page. This will redirect you to your manufacturer's official website. From there, locate your exact motherboard model and download the most recent BIOS firmware available. Once the download is complete, follow your manufacturer's instructions to update your BIOS. After the update finishes, restart your PC and launch Call of Duty to check if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Clear TPM. If the problem is still there, press Windows+R, type tpm.msc, and hit Enter. This will open the TPM management window. Click on Clear TPM, then select Restart. Your system will reboot and reset the TPM. Once Windows loads again, move on to the next step. Method 3. Run required game files. Open Steam or your game launcher, right-click on Call of Duty, select Manage, and then click on Browse Local Files. In the search bar, type .exe to display all executable files. Find enroll_ike, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Then locate COD Broker Installer, right-click it as well, and choose Run as Administrator. This process will install and start the essential services required for the game. After that, launch Call of Duty and see if the error is gone. Method 4. Start COD Broker Installer service. If you're still encountering the same issue, press Windows+R, type services.msc. In the Services window, scroll down to COD Broker Installer and double-click it. If the service is stopped, click Start, then set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Now, relaunch the game. At this point, the BIOS Firmware Update Required error should be fixed. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.